Welcome to GemAutomate. In this video, we'll provide you how the read file text block works. The read file text block is used to extract data from a file. It can read either line by line or read the entire file at once. Example of reading a file. We start by adding some text into a file to test the file reading process. Next, we choose the reading mode. In this case, we select Read All mode and then click Review Data to see the output. There are two reading options. Randomly select a line to read. Read and immediately remove that line from the file. Now we try setting a variable name to observe the result. We'll name it first name and run the script to see the output. The result will appear on screen, showing the variable named first name. Next, we switch to the random line reading mode and run the script multiple times to see how the read text changes. As you can see, the variable name first name remains the same, but the value it holds, the text read, changes with each run. About the delimiter, a delimiter defines a symbol used to separate data entries, like how commas separate phrases in a sentence, or how cells are split in a spreadsheet. When we click Review Data, we can see the text is separated by commas based on the delimiter we defined. Now we'll rename the variable to allName and run the script again. The output will show that each piece of text is clearly separated and ordered accordingly. Next step, we'll now use this data with the Insert Data block to understand how it works in conjunction. For the Insert Data block, we need to define a variable to insert data from. We'll use the allName variable and extract the second value in the array format. Once all settings are complete, we run the script again to see the result. The output comes from the same file we specified in the read file text block. Moving on, we'll connect these two blocks to other command blocks to explore more complex workflows. First, we need to define a parameter in the start block. We'll name the parameter file path, label it as input file, set the data type to file path, and enter the file's directory as the default value. Then we'll configure the file path by switching it to use the defined parameter. Once done, we'll run the script to see the result. Lastly, we'll change the variable name used in the insert data block to see whether it affects the output. Run the script again, and you'll notice the variable name has been successfully updated.